Hi. In light of the current coronavirus pandemic, I would like to demonstrate the tapping technique that I had demonstrated in an earlier video. Today, applying it to the type of fear that basically we're all experiencing about this pandemic. So without going into elaboration about the tapping and the meridians and what it's all about, I explained that in an earlier video. Let me just suffice it to say that the tapping helps to figuratively tap into our amygdala. That is the feeling part of our brain that is basically in overdrive right now for everybody in the world because of this pandemic. So the tapping is one additional technique available to help us calm ourselves. So with the tapping, I'm just going to proceed here now to demonstrate it. And of course, given the current situation, we're all being instructed to be very OCD about washing and sanitizing. So, and not touching our face. So since we are being told not to touch our face, and what I'm going to demonstrate for you here is indeed touching our face, we'll be safe face touchers. All right, there we go. Okay, so we will start with the setup statement, which is, I'm very afraid right now about the coronavirus. So at the setup statement, we'll verbalize what we're fearing along with a positive affirmation. Karate chop. I'm very afraid of the coronavirus, but I'm going to be okay. 3 times. I'm afraid of the coronavirus, but I'm going to be okay. I'm afraid of the coronavirus, but I'm going to be okay. From here, we just proceed with the negative statement. I'm afraid of the coronavirus. Top of the head. Inner eyebrow. I'm so afraid right now of the coronavirus. We can vary the language, especially based on how we're feeling as we're proceeding. I'm feeling so afraid of this virus. Under the eye. I'm feeling so afraid of the coronavirus. Upper lip. I'm feeling so afraid of the coronavirus. Under the lip. I'm afraid of the coronavirus. The sore point, upper part of the chest. I'm so afraid of this coronavirus and what it's going to lead to. Under the arm. I'm so afraid of the coronavirus and what it's going to cause, what it's going to lead to, how it's all going to end. The gamut point, I pointed out in an earlier video. I'm so afraid of this coronavirus. And then the heart hold. I'm so afraid of the coronavirus. But we're going to be okay. It's okay to throw in a positive affirmation, especially when we're really needing it. Okay. Try it yourself at home. Hopefully it will help. Research indicates that a tapping sequence or a few tapping sequences, and you can do it a few different times, you can change the language. You may decide in doing it that there's another thought or another feeling that you're having. Tap on that. But research indicates that after tapping sequences, that our cortisol levels really decrease. And cortisol is the brain chemical that is responsible for our sense of fear and alarm. And we're all richly supplied these days here with cortisol. So tap away your cortisol. Be well.